Good morning. We're out in the garden again today. Yes, that's my garden. So today we're going to clean up all of the debris from the tractor and get all the branches out. I did go around yesterday and I trimmed up all of the trees in the line here. The wind is predominantly coming from this direction over here. It's from the west, southwest. I do have one opening over there that I am probably going to put some fruit trees and stuff in to block the wind from that direction, but mostly the trees have been trimmed up and are looking nice. I can walk under all of them now and not have to worry about banging my head except for the big branches. But those are going to be for things like trumpet vines and clematis. Hey, come. Good girl. Remy's having fun. She loves to run. I just don't like her going too far because we do have a coyote that runs through the area. And then, of course, there's rattlesnakes because it is a desert. We had rattlesnakes in Idaho, just not as predominant as they are here. We have killed 2 of them already since we've been here. But I'm going to make a hat brim for Wes with the second one because it was big enough. But anyway, I trimmed up a bunch of trees so we can walk under them. And now we got to clean up the garden. Things I'm glad I brought from Idaho. My hat, my cooling scarves, and my cooling shirts. Long sleeve UV protection. Definitely a must when you're working in the garden. And these have been a lifesaver for the last 5-6 years that I've had them. So glad I brought them. As you can see, the garden's getting done. So we're getting it cleaned up. We still have a few more things to do. Wes is bringing in some soil so we can level everything out and make it nice and flat. And then we're going to put the tunnels up over there. So that's going to be probably the next step. We're going to measure those out and start installing the rebar that goes into the ground that the hoops go into. So that's going to be the next. Yay! Not a whole lot I can do while he's tractoring. So I'm just going to hold the dirt down right here and make sure that the shade stays where it's at. Okay, so yes, I'm driving because I forgot that the county gardening club was today until I got the notification on my phone. So I had to stop and shower, and I'm already 6 minutes late to the meeting. So that's it for today. We finished up with the tractoring. Now we're going to start measuring everything out tomorrow. So we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.